How to clear cache on Spotify. Open your Spotify application whether it's on PC or mobile device. Make sure to sign in to your Spotify account. Then go to profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. On this drop-down menu box, select settings and on the settings page scroll all the way down until on all this you don't find storage. Under storage, as you can see the cache. We can see that on the cache 7 MB storage has been stored on the cache. So in order to clear cache on Spotify, you need to click on clear cache and here it is. Soon that any temporary files that the Spotify has saved to this device will be removed. Your downloads won't be affected, so you can click on clear cache button and your cache has been successfully cleared on Spotify. That's how we easily clear cache on Spotify. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.